Beat the heat and high electricity bills with ICF Mexico. In sunny Los Cabos and surrounding areas, staying cool is essential. But did you know that exceeding the electricity usage threshold could land you on the costly DAC, domestic high consumption rate, from CFE? Here's why it matters. Higher bills. The DAC rate lacks government subsidies, skyrocketing your electricity costs. Up to 4 times higher than regular residential rate. Rolling average. Reducing your usage won't instantly save you, as it takes 12 months of lower consumption to exit the DAC rate. That's why airtight and energy-efficient construction matters with ICF, Insulated Concrete Forms. From ICF Mexico, you can keep your home cooler naturally, reducing AC usage. Achieve airtight insulation, minimizing energy waste. Avoid the DAC rate while staying comfortable, even during humid summers. Choose ICF for smarter, sustainable, and cost-effective living. Let us help you build a home that's designed to thrive in Baja's climate. Ready to make the switch? Contact us today and start saving on energy while upgrading your comfort.